Hello everyone, Sunil from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. We are on a commercial roof here, soft washing fiberglass. So over time, this is a chemical application, this is the first stage. Over time what happens is the fiberglass just gets dirty, as you can see here, it gets full of lichen. Because it's a textured surface, it catches a lot of dirt. But the good news is that you don't have to replace it. It's very costly to replace. You can actually clean it and it'll be a fraction of the price, I can assure you. Just get the quotes and you'll find out for yourself. So the process that we apply here is that we're applying a chemical to basically kill some of the organic growth and also to sanitize and clean the actual fiberglass itself. That's what we're up to here. And the next process here from here on in is that we're going to low pressure, not high pressure, we're going to low pressure wash the fiberglass. It does take quite a bit of time to work it, and we've got 600 square meters here on this property, but we've done larger than this before. And fundamentally the reason they're doing this is that these warehouses stock large amounts of stock that they want to be able to operate and not have to use electricity all the time, to be able to see what they've got and be able for their staff to actually have good natural light coming in throughout the year, not just in summer but also right through winter. I'll show you the process as we go from down below as well, so you can see the guys actually cleaning and you'll see the light levels are significantly different. Hope you can see that. This is the existing laser light. It's really dirty, as you can see. And if we walk along here, this is where the guys are cleaning. You can see it as they're doing it now. It's a fairly slow process, but the reality is these won't need to be done for another good, I would say 8 years at least, maybe 10. When you look at the clarity that you're getting through here, it's going to improve a lot more natural light. This is a really overcast day, so there's basically no direct sunlight at all today. So that's the process, and then you can see what it was like before. So yeah, a huge difference. Sorry, it's a bit windy. This is the final result. So as you can see here, it's come up beautiful, really, really good. To give you a sense of how good this has come up, I'm going to show you brand new installation of fiberglass just over here. So this is the next factory, and this is the new stuff that they had installed.